Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English with teacher Khalid. The lesson we're going to take today is about the simple present tense with the auxiliary verb to be's interrogatives. In our previous class, we learned about the simple present tense with the auxiliary verb to be negative. In part 1, we learned about the simple present tense with the auxiliary verb to be's affirmative. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a tense used when we are talking about everyday activities or routine, something we do regularly, something we do every day. The general formula of an affirmative sentence is subject plus verb to be plus object. What are the verb to be's? The verb to be's are is, are, was, and were. In this case, in the case of present form, we will not use this two. Why? Because this two are past. We will use is, and are. The subject pronouns are used or can be used as a subject in the sentence. Here we took examples of the subject pronouns. Here are the subject pronouns. The subject pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. With I, we use the auxiliary verb to be With we, you, and they, we use the auxiliary verb to be are. With he, she, and it, we use the auxiliary verb to be is, plus the object, whatever the object is. This is affirmative simple present tense with the auxiliary verb to be. And here is negative simple present tense with the auxiliary verb to be. The difference between these two is the general formula of a negative sentence has not, while the general formula of an affirmative sentence does not have not. Subject, subject. Verb to be, verb to be. Object, object. This one doesn't have not, but this one has. Subject, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Verb to be. The same. Not, you only add not. So our today's lesson is about the interrogatives. Interrogatives. This is when we ask question. When we ask question. How do you ask question? You ask question by saying, this is when we ask question. And so the general formula of an interrogative sentence is verb to be first, plus if there is a question word, you will write the question word here, but you will write the as a general formula, you will write the verb to be's first. Verb to be plus subject plus object. This is interrogative. This is interrogative, affirmative. Interrogative, affirmative. The verb to be's are, here are the verb to be's. If I use is, I have to use one of these. I have to use one of these three. I have to use one of these three, which are is he a doctor? A doctor. I have to write question mark here to show the sentence is a question. Are. If I use are, I have to use one of either we, you, or they. Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? This is interrogative, affirmative sentence. Interrogative, negative sentence, general formula is be plus not plus subject. Plus not plus subject. For example, is plus not. Is not. Isn't he a doctor? Isn't he